Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make the double flat fold card. This is the one we're going to make today for Halloween. Let me show you how it opens up. So it opens up, this ribbon ties over here to the side to keep the card closed. And then your first flap is going to be for this little mini note card. And then you open it up again for the inside. Isn't that cute? Alright, so you're going to tie that one up to the side. And then this one I made for a Christmas version using the hashtag Elfie stamp set. Isn't it cute? All that's glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So now this is what this one looks like when you open it. Once again, there's your little note card. And then this one over here opens up. Now this one has two panels of the Whisper White, so that's totally optional. So this one has only one. Let me show you that again. So you can add another panel of the Whisper White. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and make this Halloween version. Alright, so we're going to use lots of layers today. So the basic black piece, this is cut at 5.5 by 10, and we're going to score this together. So now this is the piece of Whisper White. If you want to make two for the inside, you want to cut two. But I'm just going to use the one piece. So you're going to cut this at 4 by 5.25. And then also a piece of the Monster Bash. This is double-sided. And this piece is also cut at 4 by 5.25. And then another piece of the Monster Bash designer paper. This is cut at 1.25 by 5.25. And then let's go with the note card here. So the basic black is cut at 3.5 by 7. And then you're going to score it at 3.5. So this is going to make your little note card. Now these are the layers. So the first layer is the basic gray. And these are cut at 3.25 by 3.25. And you're going to need 3 of those. Okay, and then the silver foil sheet, these are all cut at 3 by 3. You need 3 of those. And then the Whisper White is cut at 2.75 by 2.75, and you'll need 3 of those. Okay, all right, so first let's go ahead and score our card. Okay, so we're going to take our base. Now this, let me make sure the measurements are correct. So this is cut at 10 by 5.5, that is correct. Okay, so along the 10-inch side, we're going to score this at 1.5. Okay, now we're going to fold the score line. So now we're going to take this opposite end of the score line and we're going to tuck this inside of the card. Making sure that lines up really good. And then you can take your bone folder, make that really nice crease line. Or if you want to score both of them, you can score this at 4.25 and then 8.5. Okay, so it will be the exact same thing. All right, so now let's go ahead and layer our pieces together. Let's start with the Monster Bash. And then this piece of the Monster Bash, the 1.25 is going to go on this 1.5-inch score line section. Okay, so now this is the base of our card. Now I went ahead and stamped all the little monsters, and let me show you the stamp set I used for that. I actually used 2 stamp sets. So for all the little monsters, the monster and the werewolf and then the zombie, I used the Boo to You with the greetings as well. And then for the inside part of the card, I used the Happy Halloween, and this is from the Wonderfully Wicked stamp set. This is available also in a bundle with the Wicked dies. And these are both in the holiday catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and layer the basic gray and the silver foil sheets together because I went ahead and already stamped the Whisper White pieces. So let's go ahead and do all that. Okay, so we got our layers done for this little mini note card, which is 3.5 by 7, scored at 3.5. All right, now let me bring in all the pieces that I've already stamped and colored. Now I stamped them with the Memento ink and I colored them in with the Stampin' Blends. And this is going to be the one that I'm going to put on the front of my little note card here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Okay, and then these two are going to be for the inside. I figured you guys have seen me use this stamp set so much because it's one of my top favorites. I absolutely love this stamp set. I'm still going to use it for birthdays, even after Halloween. just because of this cute little monster. All right, so now this piece is gonna go on the inside, right here. All right, now it's just a matter of assembling the card. So we're going to take our note card here. Now the note card is going to open up to the right-hand side. So we're going to have the card sit like this on the base. Okay, so then the little note card is going to open up to the right. So we're going to put our inside pieces here on the inside of the note card first. All right, so let's grab some ribbon. Okay, so I grabbed 2 of my black ribbons. This scallop one is the one we're going to use today. And the satin one is the one that I used on my sample, and I'll show you that again here in a second. And then there's also the black glittered organdy ribbon, which I totally ran out, which I probably would have used that one for today's card. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go ahead and put some adhesive on this flap right here, right in the center of this flap. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to put it right onto that adhesive, and then we're going to wrap it around to the back. So now you want to make sure that you're going to cut enough ribbon to tie a bow for the side of the card, okay, to hold it shut. So I'm going to trim it off here, and then we're going to take another piece of ribbon. Now this time we're going to put the card, this little note card here, right over top of that ribbon that we just adhered down. So I'm going to make sure the card's facing the right way. So I'm going to put the adhesive on this side only, as well as over top of that ribbon, just to secure that in place as well. And then I'm going to pull this straight out, and then putting my card so it's facing right over top of that ribbon. And I want to center that ribbon that's wrapped here. So I got it right here, but it's wrapped around to the side. Okay, I'm going to take my snail and I'm going to put some more ribbon on this front flap. So you don't want to put this on yet, because this is going to hide the ribbon. So we're going to put the ribbon here, put this on the front of the little mini note card, and then bring that out to about the same. You can always cut it down. I always like to have enough. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our snail again. I'm going to put it over top of the ribbon. And then this is where the little front piece is going to cover up that ribbon. So then this is going to cover up the ribbon and then make your cute little front of your note card there. And then this ties over here, just like that. Isn't it cute? Let me show you the one with the satin ribbon. See, now we can trim that ribbon off, but you want to make sure you have enough ribbon for the receiver, because maybe the receiver doesn't know how to tie a bow very good, so you want to make sure you have enough. Okay, isn't that adorable? Love it. So let me show you here. Now open that up, and then you got your cute little monsters here. Yeah. And then the cute little cluster of monsters on the inside. Love this card. All right, so let me show you the other two. Okay, so now this one I used the satin ribbon. So you can see this one here. Adorable. So remember, you're going to wrap that around to the back and then tie it over to the side to hold it closed. Okay, let me tie this one up again really quick. Okay, so there's the Halloween one. Okay, so then here's the one I made with the hashtag Elfie stamp set. I used a lot of the sparkle glimmer paper. I love it. And then I also added some dazzling diamonds onto the little elf. So there's the open part of the little mini note card. And then this one again is stamped on the inside on both panels there. So cute. So now this one I used the pool party with the smoky slate and then the sparkle glimmer paper. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one I like the best. They're both so cute. But you know, you got to have a special card for those special people in your life, and this really fits the bill, in my opinion. Look how cute that is. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.